What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode of Mom and Papa Joe. We're continuing with the summer of grilled chicken. We're doing some chicken wings, except with a twist. You're going to want to check this out. Let's get it. All right, folks. This is going to be our take on Wingstop. We're going to do a Louisiana Dry Rub. All our measurements are going to be in the description. We're going to start with some smoky paprika, some Mexican oregano, a combination of cayenne pepper, and some coarse flat iron red pepper flakes. Cumin, a little brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and a little salt. Our chicken has been brined, so we don't want to go too salt heavy here. And we want to give this a good mix. So here's our chicken, nothing but flats. Last night we did a quick dry brine, salted nicely. You've seen me use this achiote paste. This is just a little small piece. A little oil, make a paste. I don't know, that might be a tablespoon, but I just want to break this up, but I want a little loose space. And when I'm satisfied, I'm just going to come in with my chicken. Get that a good tossing. I did a Mexican grilled chicken the first time I used this achiote, and man, it really brought some awesome flavors. Here's our Louisiana Dry Rub. And I want to keep it clean because I don't think I'm going to be using it all. Not a lot of salt in this. Smells great. We're going to be putting this chicken on skewers. Have never done it before, but you're going to need some sort of flat skewer. And I went in between the bones. I'm not sure how many I'm going to put on here. So I'm going in between these two bones on the flat, and I want to give them space. I'm thinking maybe it's going to be 7 based on how I plan on setting up the grill. Along with this chicken, we're going to be having a Mexican style street corn. So we're going to get that cooked before we take this outside. This Mexican street corn is most delicious with fresh corn. But you could use frozen corn, you could use canned corn. And if you've got an easy way of getting these kernels out whole, man, go for it. So I'm going to be gentle, trying to get as much out of here without sending sweet corn juice everywhere. I've got a pan on the stove heating up. Come in with some oil of your choosing. You could use butter, you could use ghee. All that corn is coming in. And I want to get some good color on this corn. There's some sugar in this corn, so it won't take very long. I never knew that fried corn could smell so great. That's been less than 10 minutes. I'm going to come in here with 2 cloves of minced garlic, and I will give this maybe another minute. I will turn my stove off. As a matter of fact, I'm coming off of this hot burner as we begin to put in the rest of our ingredients. The zest of 1 lime, smoked paprika. I will put all of the measurements in the description. A little salt, black pepper. This is some chili powder. Mama just brought up a good point. We should let it cool a little bit before we add our mayo and our sour cream. So that's what we're going to do. Come in here with some mayonnaise, sour cream, some lime juice. See if we need any more. We got some cilantro. Based on how loose you want yours, you could add more mayo or more sour cream. And lastly, some queso fresco. Give that a taste, Mama. Folks, this can be eaten cold or hot. Before we serve it, we might just warm it up just a bit. We are good and hot, man. I'm going to be doing some flying by the seat of my pants, but I think it's going to work. Don't want to burn the handles of my skewer. We'll see how that works. folks. It is hot outside. These are beautiful, nice and crisp. We've let them cool down a little bit. Oh yeah. Thoroughly cooked. Ranch or blue cheese? What do you want? Folks, these are gonna give Wingstop a run for their money. There is no storytelling here. Very simple cook, short and sweet, about half an hour. I never put the lid on. And of course, this street corn. Just money. Money. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We absolutely appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. And as always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla.